No fancy steps, no endless chopping, just dinner that gets you through. When I can't be bothered, this is one that I have up my sleeve. This is cheesy chicken and broccolini rice, all made in the one pan, which is always welcome here on busy weeknights. I love this one because it's fast, it doesn't require any specialty ingredients, it's relatively inexpensive, and it's just as quick to wash up. I start by adding in some onion garlic before adding the chicken, seasoning with pantry staples, and it's in with rice, chicken stock and cream to make it extra luxurious. While that cooks, I prep the broccolini and it's in with that for a few minutes before adding not one, but 2 types of cheese. It's quick, it's delicious. You will love this one.